2017 Ferrari F12berlinetta. The long history of front-engined, V12-powered Ferraris continues for the 2017 model year with the F12. Available in both Berlinetta and TDF models, the F12 coupes carry on the Ferrari tradition of sleek sexy cars with classic proportions, though some of the details look transplanted on it from the future. The F12 tops the non-hybrid Ferrari range in power, include the gas-electric LaFerrari, and there's hardly a contest. But even among the F12berlinetta and F12tdf, there's a distinct difference. The TDF honors Ferrari's performance in the 50s and 60s era Tour de France races, and brings power and a hefty $500,000 price tag in that homage. For its house-sized mortgage, either F12 gives up the sounds, sights, and the vivid driving experience owners expect from their Ferrari. It starts with the powertrain. The long low body of the F12berlinetta is covered in dramatic, swooping lines. The most characteristic element of the exterior is a line that rises over the front fender, before diving sharply to rise again along the side as it reaches for the tail of the car. At the nose, an aggressive face presents the car's intent, blending both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The F12tdf is even more exaggerated. The roof and A-pillars are the only panels that carry over from the Berlinetta. The front and rear track is wider, and the front end gets a new look with a deeply scooped lower fascia with dive planes, a splitter, wings, and louvers inspired by race cars. The aero bridge behind each flared front fender is exposed carbon fiber. Louvers are added to the rear fenders, and the rear spoiler is longer and taller. The rear diffuser also features a new design with 3 active flaps, and the underbody has 3 racing-inspired strakes that increase downforce by 30% compared to the F12berlinetta. Safety features. Anti-lock brakes. ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking, and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded, and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger, cancelable passenger, have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Side impact airbags. Side impact airbags for the front seats have been designed to protect the torso during a side impact collision. Pretensioners. Seatbelt. Pretensioners automatically tighten seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system. The vehicle is equipped with a means of anticipating and/or detecting unwanted vehicle intrusion. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used.